Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fantasy Fashion. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, according to your time and your location. You are most welcome to my YouTube channel. So, guys, if you are a beginner, then please subscribe, and if you are already subscribed, then don't forget to press the bell icon. So, how are you guys? I hope all of you doing well and enjoying good condition of your health. Today in this video, we will talk about timeless pieces of leather thigh high heel boots or leather long boots. These are amazing, dynamic, and can go with any outfit. This is for those ladies, women, and girls who love to wear these leather thigh high heel boots. This is for office wear, for party wear, for casual wear, for daily work wear. This is very easy to wear. So guys, I must suggest you to watch the video till the end for more designs, for more collections, and for more content. So my dear friends, these leather thigh high heel boots is for special occasions like weddings, proms, formal events, get together, kiddies parties, etc. So friends, if you're loving these and if you want to buy these, then I will tell you the best website from where you can buy these very sleek and very demanding and glamorous leather thigh high heel boots online. Before telling you the website, please subscribe my channel. And if you already subscribed, then don't forget to press the bell icon for more designs, for more collections, and for more notifications. In this way, you will never miss many video and collection of my channel. And guys, there is tons of exciting content waiting for you on my YouTube channel, so be sure to check it out. So my dear friends, the website from where you can buy these very glamorous and outstanding leather thigh high heel boots online. So friends, you can buy these amazon.com, aliexpress.com, alibaba.com, timo.com, and many the best websites. You can buy these leather thigh high heel boots very easily at any website. So friends, if you're loving this, then please do like my video and also share my video with your friends, with your family members, with your relatives and social media also. Thanks for watching my videos. Keep visiting my channel, keep supporting, keep watching my videos. And guys, if you have any doubt, then the comment section is available for you. You can comment freely at any time. You can also ask any question. Let us know in the comment section that which one is your favorite, because you can see guys, all of these are good and perfect designs in this my video. So goodbye dear friends, till the next video. See you soon with new elegant and demanding collection. Take care.